The day starts with chaos kids, chores, and questions flying everywhere. You're the CEO, chef, and emotional anchor of your home, but it's exhausting. Technology, especially AI, isn't just for techies, it's ready to help you right here, right now. Imagine saying, "Okay, Google, add tomatoes to my shopping list," and it's done. This isn't science fiction, it's about making life simpler, not more complicated. AI can automate the boring bits, giving you back precious minutes. It's not about replacing you, but empowering you to manage the chaos with more grace. Let's see how AI can become your most useful household helper right after the Dabawali, of course. Meet the smart speaker, your new personal secretary. Just say, "Alexa, remind me to pick up the kids," or, "Hey Google, what's the traffic like?" It manages reminders, answers homework questions, plays music, and even settles family debates. Setup is easy. Plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow a few steps on your phone. Start simple. Use it as an alarm or for weather updates, then explore more as you go. Privacy is in your hands. Mute the mic or adjust settings anytime. Think of it as locking your door. Secure, but still welcoming. With a smart speaker, you get hands-free help and a little less stress every day. It's a central hub for your family's needs. Always ready, never tired. Let this digital genie handle the routine, so you can focus on what matters. The kitchen can be a battlefield, but AI is your ultimate sous chef. Recipe apps suggest dishes based on what's in your fridge. No more aaj kiya banao. Grocery lists sync with your phone or family, and some smart fridges track what you need. Smart ovens and air fryers can be controlled by voice or phone, saving you time. While dinner cooks itself, you can help with homework or enjoy a quiet chai. AI handles the repetitive tasks, timing, shopping, reminders, so you can focus on the joy of cooking. The kitchen becomes a place of creativity, not chaos. You're still the queen. AI is just your most reliable helper. Team, as pros at juggling life, you already know how to get things done. But with AI handling the routine, you can level up and focus on what truly matters. That means you reclaim those golden moments, whether it's a quiet chai break or a quick catch-up with friends. Pro tip: use a wellness app for a quick meditation, or set a fitness tracker to remind you to stretch between tasks. Want to upskill? Try a language app or listen to a podcast while prepping dinner. Multitasking, but smarter. The real secret? Start with one small upgrade, like a digital to-do list or a smart speaker for music. Set reminders for the important stuff, birthdays, bills, or even self-care. Let tech do the remembering so you can do the living. Choose tools that solve your real challenges. Let your needs, not trends, guide your tech choices. Remember, AI isn't here to take over, it's your expert assistant, freeing you to focus on what matters most. That means more time to nurture your family, connect with loved ones, and, yes, take care of yourself too. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let technology be your silent partner in this pro-level balancing act. Orchestrate your busy life with more ease, more joy, and a little help from your digital team.